How to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the server status of Gmail. For that, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website like Town Detector. Then type in Gmail and then search for it. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. If there are no issues, what you can do is you can follow next steps. Launch your settings. Enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh network issues. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find Gmail. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, next thing you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. Then you can log out of your Gmail account and again log in back. With these, you will be good to go. You'll be receiving verification code. So this is how you can easily fix Gmail not receiving verification code. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.